Going nowhere with that move. It's a 4-1. Oh!
Senior.
In the meantime, this was that play we enjoyed earlier in our Yakult slam dunk. That starts with excellent eye contact and, you know, just knowing each other so well.
Number 14, abangan nyo po sa Inari Center. Stop, lumipad! Finishing this one. We are somehow awaiting the coming of that big slam.
Petron comes up with that big play by Elijah Millsap.
Kaya ramdam na ramdam natin ang bangis nung pagkatapos na ito ni Elijah.
On the attack, SMB down by 2. Reed for the tie. Goes glass because Solomon foul.
Pick and roll that time.
When we talk about composure by the San Miguel Beermen, you like how Alex Cabagnot, even if he's not the one scoring, finding his import for the easy 2 points and the foul.
Talagang pinapakinabangan ito ng gusto-gusto. At obligado sila dito, no? They must make some headway in this quarter. Kung hindi, nako, tapos na itong series natin.
Mott umangat. May foul. Tatalbog. Talbog. Pumasok. And that will count. Dirk Mott, who was voted as the best import of this conference, showed a turnover here. Mott nasa labas. A lot of time sa kanilang shot clock. He goes inside. Gets away. Oh my goodness.
Ayan na, grabe.
Johnny Amarietos, there's a double team. Danny Ildefonso. Pero magkulay ko naman Travis from the corner. Yahoo, yes. At saka 3-point shot yata yun, no? So, yun ang sinasabi natin na yan ang kailangan.